I set by example, and then that obviously impacts everything else, clients, team members, etc. So the biggest challenge has definitely been myself.
Welcome to Unstoppable Podcast with Harry Sardinas, inspiring conversations with influential millionaires, investors, thought leaders, entrepreneurs who are making a massive difference with their innovative products and services, and sharing the challenges and wisdom of how they sold their first million.
So tell us, Jake, why do you become an entrepreneur, and what are the biggest challenge that you have faced as an entrepreneur?
Absolutely. So I became an entrepreneur way, way, way back in the day. I took my first step. I was in school for engineering, and I've always been the type of individual that likes to make things. I like to just create. I like to, do. And I was in school for engineering and realized very quickly that I like the engineering, creative aspect of it, but I don't like all the back end, math and just all the back end stuff that came with engineering. So I was like, okay, how do I take what I like to do and make it into a career? And I took a step into starting a prototyping company. From there, I was like, okay, I started this thing. Why aren't customers coming to me? And I realized very quickly you need marketing. And I learned marketing. I was like, dang, I could do this for other people. It scratched that itch of being creative and creating different angles. And that was the first step that really got me into, what I currently do. But along the way, it's absolutely been a challenge, but it's really been the challenge of yourself, and self-mastery has been the biggest thing for me. There's external things. You have, all this stuff along the way, leadership, hiring, firing, legal, all that stuff, dealing with clients. But it really comes down to self-mastery, and how do you internalize the challenges that you face, and how do you overcome them and make yourself better so that everything else around you gets better, which is really what owning a business is. It's I set by example, and then that obviously impacts everything else, clients, team members, etc. So the biggest challenge has definitely been myself.
Follow us for more interviews with world's most influential, audacious entrepreneurs that overcame challenges and adversity, providing you with the blueprint of how they sold their first million so you can grow your business exponentially.